Hello grade 5 students and welcome to our English video lesson. I hope you're having a good day. Today we will be looking at Module 9 Project Part 2. In our lesson today we are going to complete the topic we started last time about posters, but today we will focus on writing. Before we start, let's take a look at our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to Number 1. Recall the features of a poster. Number 2. Make a poster for a specific topic and write the information correctly. For our lesson today, we will be looking at Student Book page 109 and Workbook page 95. Make sure you open the right pages. This is the lesson you studied before in Student Book page 109. Remember what the lesson was about? That's correct. It was about posters. We specifically looked at a poster about how to be environmentally friendly at home and at school. We discussed the design of this poster, we read the information in it, and we saw the pictures. Then, we went through the writing tip to learn how to design a poster and include the pictures and information correctly. Let's recall the important tips we discussed last time together. If you want to make a poster for a school competition, a birthday party, or any other event, you should follow these 6 steps. Number 1. Use a large piece of card. Make sure it's big enough for people to see it clearly. Number 2. Write in pencil so that you can correct any mistakes. Make sure your handwriting is clear. Number 3. Put a title at the top in large letters. You can use different fonts, of course. Number 4. Write neatly, so the poster will be clean and attractive. Number 5. Add photos or drawings. You can draw your own pictures or you can download them from the internet. Number 6. When you are ready, write over your letters using markers or colored pencils. Use suitable colors and make sure they are easy on the eyes. Let's take a closer look at this poster. Here we can see the title. It's clear, big, and catchy. Under the title, we can see all the important information. Also, they included pictures next to every information they wrote. This is how your poster should look like if you follow the previous writing tips. So, are you ready to start making your own poster? Let's go! In order to make writing easier, we are going to follow these writing steps. We use these steps to plan, organize, and complete writing. These steps are pre-write, first draft, revise, edit, final draft. We will go through all these steps one by one, and we will discuss what to do in each step, and we will do it together. Are you ready to start? Let's go! The first step is pre-writing, the planning stage. In this stage, you are going to think about your topic and brainstorm ideas. Brainstorm means to think of ideas related to your topic and then organize them. Let's start brainstorming ideas. We will brainstorm the most important parts of our poster. To brainstorm ideas, we need help. We will find that help in workbook page 95, exercise number 2. We will write down our ideas here. Now remember, my dear students, these are just ideas, so you don't have to worry about the spelling or the punctuation just yet. Ready to start? Okay, start by looking at the given pictures, then write 1 or 2 sentences about what you can do to be environmentally friendly in your bedroom. The sentences can be in the imperative form or in the negative one. Pause the video until you're done. Okay, ready to check your answers? I will share 2 sentences with you for each picture. Number 1. Charge your tablet only when you need to. Don't leave your mobile charging all day. Number 2. Don't leave your computer on when you're not using it. Turn off your computer when you leave the room. Number 3. Turn off the AC when you leave the room. Use the AC only when you need it. Don't leave it on all day. Number 4. Turn off the lights when you leave the room. Don't leave the lights on when you leave the room. Now that we finished organizing our ideas, let's move to step number 2, the first draft. In this stage, we are going to write our first draft. We are going to write sentences and join them into one paragraph. Are you ready to start writing? Here we go. To make our first draft, we will start by reading all the ideas or the sentences that we wrote down earlier. Then, we are going to choose the best sentence for each picture. The sentence could be in the imperative form or in the negative one. Take a minute to look at your ideas and choose the best ones. You should be ready with 4 ideas or sentences by the end of this step. Now, choose a design for your poster and copy the 4 sentences you chose earlier. Make sure that the design you choose reflects our topic, being environmentally friendly. Pause the video until you're done with your first draft. Now we will move to the third step, revise. Revising means reading your first draft and making changes to make it better. You can add more information like words or sentences. You can change some words, or you can even remove things that you don't need anymore. After revising my first draft, I decided to add some pictures. I added a picture next to every sentence. I also removed the title Home and I replaced it with this one, How to be environmentally friendly in your bedroom. It's more suitable and it clearly shows what the poster is about. Now it's your turn. Take a look at your draft and start making changes to make it better. You can add, replace, or remove anything. Pause the video until you're done. Now we will move to step number 4, edit. Edit means to correct any spelling, punctuation, or grammar mistakes. To edit and check your work, you can use the help of the COPS. Do you know what COPS stands for? Take a look. C is for capitalization. When do we use capital letters? We use it with names, countries, start of the sentence, days and months, okay? O is for organization. You have to check the number of sentences, you have to check if you are using the correct verb tenses, and you have to make sure there are enough spaces between the words and the sentences. P is for punctuation, using full stops, commas, question marks, and other things. The last one is S for spelling. You can use a dictionary or you can ask your teacher if you like. Using the help of the COPS, I noticed that I have a punctuation mistake here because I should start my sentence with a capital letter. Also, I found a spelling mistake here, so I will correct it. Now, it's your turn. Pause the video until you finish editing your work. We have reached the last step. Write your final draft and make it an excellent copy. This is the final copy of my poster. I wrote a big colorful title. I listed all the important things that I can do to be environmentally friendly. I also added a picture next to each sentence. I checked my spelling and my punctuation, and I corrected all the mistakes. This is a poster well done, as it followed all the writing steps. Now, it's your turn. Choose a design for your final draft and copy all the sentences there. Make sure you copy the sentences that you revised so you won't have any mistakes. Don't forget to add pictures and a catchy title so the topic of your poster and the ideas will be clear just by looking at it. Pause the video until you're done. Well done, my dear students. We have reached the end of our lesson for today. Let's take a look at what we have done. Number 1, we recalled the features of a poster. Number 2, we made a poster for a specific topic and wrote all the information correctly. Thank you, Grade 5, for watching this video. Take care and see you soon. Goodbye.